Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Meezan bank account. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, open your default browser and search Meezan bank login. After that, you'll find online banking under Meezan Bank on top of your search list. Just click it. Now, as you can see, you're already redirected to the official page of Meezan Bank. You'll see login on top right corner of your screen. Just click here and click on login. Now, as you can see, you're already redirected to the login portal. You just simply have to enter your credentials, that includes your username and your password. You also have to enter the CAPTCHA given below. And in case you forgot your username, you can click here, and in case you forgot your password, you can click here. If not, then just simply enter your credentials, enter CAPTCHA and log in. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up, comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.